You want to begin by opening your emails and selecting the ESF form attachment. You will need to take 2 screenshots of this, one of the top, and save it to your camera roll. And one of the bottom, and also save this to your camera roll. Next, you want to open Instagram and select your profile photo with the blue plus sign next to it. And from this, it will allow you to select one of your screenshots. Please select the first page, and then you can adjust it to size to make sure it fits perfectly. You can do this by using your 2 fingers if you're on a smartphone and pinching inwards, and using 1 finger to move it around the screen. Next, if you select the AA button in the top right hand corner, you can start using text to fill in the participant information. You can use the lever at the side to adjust the size, and the colours at the bottom to select a colour for your text. Please select black or blue. Again, if after you've selected the size and it still doesn't fit into the boxes, you can use your 2 fingers to pinch it and adjust it so that it fits in the boxes. So you have your title, your forename, your surname. You then also have the also known as box. In this box, please use any names you feel necessary that you go by on a daily basis, such as if you're known as Bethany, but you also go by Beth, please let us know. Next, you can complete the address section. Please add in your full address. And then your postcode. Next, you can insert your telephone number and your email address. And then move on to the date of birth, student reference number, and your national insurance number. When completing the national insurance number, please ensure it is in the correct format, which is 2 letters at the front, 6 numbers, and then 1 letter at the end. You can then fill in your country of birth and your nationality. Next, you can fill in your course details, so you have the course title, Please ensure this is the correct and full course title, such as HND Accounting. Then you can fill in the course start and end dates. Again, please ensure these are correct and full dates. After this, you can use the squiggly line at the top beside the AA function. This is to act as a pen. Again, you can adjust the size at the side and select a colour. You can then use this to tick the applicable sections in the status prior to enrolment and to qualifications. You can then save this part of the screen by selecting the downward arrow at the top beside the little smiley face, and then select the second screenshot that you took earlier. From here, again, adjust the size and ensure that everything fits in. You can then use the AA function again to insert your age. And then again, the pen function next to it to complete the other equal opportunities section. You can then go back and use the AA function again to fill in the programme expectations. This is your own views and opinions on what you expect to get out of the course. You do not need to fill in the participant declaration section at the bottom. This will be completed at a later date. From here, you can then save the page again using the downward arrow function. These screenshots will now be in your camera roll, and from there you have access to them to either email back to the college or save them for a later date.